Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, example 8. The question is, find compound interest on rupees 12,600 for 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. So CI means compound interest, and they have said that the amount is compounded annually. So since it is compounded, we have to find out the compound interest. Okay. So for the compound interest, the formula is given by CI, it is equal to amount minus principal. That is, we are going to get some amount which is nothing but principal. Okay. So after 2 years we are going to repay. Okay. But the interest is compounded annually. What is the repaid amount? That is given by amount. Okay. What is the amount we are borrowing? That is given by principal. Okay. So amount minus principal is compound interest. So for that, first we have to calculate amount. Amount is given by principal amount into 1 plus R by 100. That is rate of interest divided by 100, the whole power n. N is the time period. Okay. So P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest per annum, and then N is the number of year. Okay, that is time. So number of years. Okay, so this is a formula for the amount when we are calculating the compound interest. So amount is equal to principal. Okay, so in this problem, what are all the things they have given? The principal amount is given by 12,600. Okay, and then what is the rate of interest? R is given by 10%. And then what is the number of years? N is 2. Okay, using that, let me calculate the answer for the amount. So principal amount is 12,600 into 1 plus, what is the rate of interest? 10. Okay, 10 by 100, the whole power 2. So let me solve for this. So here 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. So 12,600 into 1 plus 1 by 10, the whole square I have. So let me first take LCM inside the bracket. So 12,600 into, so take the LCM here, the common LCM is 10. Okay, so 1 into 10 is 10, 10 plus 1, the whole square. So it is 12,600 into, it is 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 10, the whole square, which I can write it as 12,600 into, since it is a square, right? So I have to write this term for 2 times, 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Why? Because it is square. So whichever you can cancel, 0, 0 you can cancel, this 0, 0 you can cancel. Okay. So we know that 11 11s are 121. Okay, so I have 126 into 121. So just multiply both the value. So 126 into 121. So 1 into 126, 126. 6 2s are 12, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 1s are 2. Again you have 126. Okay, just add all the values. You have 6, 4, 12, 5, 1. So the answer is 15,246. This is the amount that which we have to repay after 2 years for the principal amount which we have borrowed, and the interest is annually compounded. Okay, but again they didn't ask the amount, but they are asking for compound interest. Compound interest is given by this formula, that is amount minus principal. Okay. So, compound interest is given by amount minus principal. So, 15,246 is the amount, and then principal amount is 12,600. So, 12,600. Just subtract both the values so that we can get the compound interest. 12,600. So, here 6, 4, 12 minus 6 it is 6, 4 minus 2 it is 2. Okay. So compound interest is given by rupees 2,646. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.